If lately you've noticed more fine lines, duller skin, stiffness in your joints, or slower muscle recovery, you're absolutely not imagining it. Winter dramatically accelerates collagen loss. Cold weather reduces blood circulation, increases oxidative stress, weakens the skin barrier, and dehydrates your tissues, all of which make your body break down collagen faster than usual. But here's the uplifting part. Nature offers powerful, science-backed herbs that help your body rebuild collagen naturally, from the inside out, without expensive treatments, invasive procedures, or complicated routines. Today, we're exploring 5 evidence-based herbs that support collagen synthesis, enhance skin elasticity, strengthen hair and nails, protect your joints, and promote healthy aging during the winter in the US. Before we begin, welcome to Herbal Flavors, where we share practical, simple methods to improve your health using everyday herbs, fruits, and natural remedies. Like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our wellness guides. And remember to download our ebook, Herbal Flavors. Lose weight the healthy way, with powerful detox teas, herbal blends, and natural strategies to upgrade your health every day. Let's begin. 1. Amla, the vitamin Circa powerhouse. Amla, Indian gooseberry, contains 20 times more vitamin C than oranges and is one of the richest antioxidant foods in the world. Why? Vitamin C is essential for collagen production because it acts as a cofactor for enzymes, prolyl and lysyl hydroxylase, responsible for stabilizing collagen fibers. It protects the skin's fibroblasts, the very cells that produce collagen. It neutralizes free radicals from cold wind and UV exposure. It reduces glycation, a process that stiffens collagen and accelerates aging. Amla also contains ellagic acid, gallic acid, and tannins, which are proven to preserve skin elasticity, reduce hyperpigmentation, strengthen the skin barrier, support cartilage formation in joints. How to use Amla tea, excellent for winter circulation. 1 teaspoon of amla powder in warm water. Add to smoothies for a vitamin C boost. Amla oil for hair growth, thicker strands, and scalp health. Amla is ideal for winter anti-aging, when collagen breakdown accelerates due to dryness and inflammation. 2. Horsetail, the silica-rich herb. Horsetail is one of the richest natural sources of bioavailable silica, a mineral essential for the structure of collagen fibers. Why? Silica is crucial because it acts as the structural scaffolding collagen binds to, improves the strength and elasticity of connective tissues, enhances skin firmness by promoting type 1 collagen, supports keratin production for stronger hair and nails. Studies show that silica improves skin texture, reduces wrinkles, enhances hydration retention, strengthens bones by supporting collagen in the matrix. Horsetail also contains potassium, for better circulation, manganese, essential for connective tissue formation, flavonoids, which reduce inflammation. How to use horsetail tea 3 to 4 times a week. Tinctures for concentrated silica. Combine with amla for a vitamin C plus silica collagen boost. Perfect for those experiencing weak hair, brittle nails, sagging skin, or joint discomfort. 3. Gotu kola, the herb of longevity. Gotu kola is widely used in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine and is known for its effects on the skin, nervous system, circulation, and cognitive function. Gotu kola supports collagen production because it stimulates fibroblast proliferation, the direct producers of collagen, increases collagen type 1, elasticity, and type 3, skin structure, improves microcirculation, ensuring nutrients reach the skin, strengthens the dermal matrix, speeds up wound healing and skin repair. It contains compounds called triterpenoids, including asiaticoside, asiatic acid, madecassoside. These are clinically shown to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, improve firmness, enhance hydration, reduce stretch marks and scar thickness. How to use Gotu kola tea daily. Powder mixed with warm water. Go-to cola oil for scars, irritation, and firmness. Especially helpful during winter when the skin becomes thinner, fragile, and easily irritated. 4. Calendula, the skin healing flower. Calendula, marigold, is one of the best herbs for regenerating damaged skin tissue and protecting the skin barrier in dry, cold climates. Calendula contains triterpenoids, flavonoids, carotenoids, saponins. These compounds work together to stimulate collagen production, reduce inflammation and swelling, accelerate tissue repair, increase skin hydration, protect against winter-induced eczema, redness, and irritation. Calendula also supports the lymphatic system, improving detoxification and reducing puffiness in the face. How to use calendula tea for inflammation support, calendula oil for dry areas, calendula balm for chapped winter skin, calendula cream in your nighttime routine. Safe, gentle, and perfect for sensitive or reactive skin. 5. Ginseng, the revitalizing root. Ginseng is known for energy and vitality, but research shows it also plays a strong role in collagen synthesis and skin rejuvenation. Why? Ginseng contains ginsenosides, which increase collagen production in fibroblasts, protect collagen from UV and oxidative damage, strengthen the skin barrier, improve elasticity, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, support blood circulation, essential during winter. Ginseng also boosts nitric oxide, enhancing nutrient delivery to tissues, a key factor in glowing, firm, youthful skin. How to use ginseng tea in the morning. Mix powdered ginseng into shakes or oatmeal. Apply ginseng serums for topical benefits. Ideal for anyone wanting a vibrant, youthful, energized appearance. Why these herbs work even better in winter. Winter accelerates aging because cold reduces circulation to the skin. Indoor heating strips the skin barrier. UV rays remain strong even in cold weather. Diets are often lower in fresh fruits. Oxidative stress increases. Inflammation rises. Stress hormones spike in colder months. All of this leads to faster collagen breakdown, increased fine lines, dryness and irritation, joint stiffness, slower tissue repair. Herbs help counter all of these by rebuilding collagen from the inside, improving microcirculation, providing essential vitamins and minerals, reducing inflammation, strengthening the skin barrier. This is why winter is the best season to begin a collagen-boosting herbal routine. How to combine these herbs for maximum results. Morning, ginseng tea, amla supplement for vitamin C. Afternoon, go-to cola tea for circulation and calm. Optional, calendula tea for hydration and repair. Evening, horsetail tea to deliver silica. Calendula balm on dry areas. Weekly boost, amla or ginseng face oil treatment. Smoothie with amla plus ginseng. Warm compress with calendula infusion. If you found this guide helpful, like, subscribe, comment your favorite herb or the one you want to try next. And don't forget, our ebook, Herbal Flavors, Lose Weight the Healthy Way, is available in the description. It includes herbal recipes, slimming teas, anti-inflammatory blends, and practical tips to help you feel your best every day. Collagen loss is natural, but herbs give your body what it needs to rebuild, repair, and stay strong, especially during the winter. Thank you for watching Herbal Flavors. Stay warm, stay healthy, and embrace the power of natural beauty.